Hello world, here's Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant, and here's your update for Bitcoin. Today, a longer video, it's Sunday, and I have some interesting news for you. I have some interesting stuff for you guys. I hope you enjoy it. This is not a financial advice. Let's start this analysis now. System activated. So here we are, and let's watch this. This is a quick overview, and you can see this is quantifycrypto.com, and we can see here some interesting stuff. We have here in the short term a green picture, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes. Everything is green. But after this, the long term, 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour, 24 hour, it's red. And you can see it here. We are going down maybe in the long term. This is showing us Quantify Crypto. The Bitcoin technical score is on 56.8 points. Yeah, it's okay. It's a neutral. It's a little bit over the middle line, but it is a neutral. It's not bad. It's not slightly bearish. It is neutral. Our low in 24 hours was 28,700. Our high was 29,200. And you can see we are here in a little plus on the day with 0.78%. This is a quick overview for Bitcoin. So let's watch this, guys. It's Bitcoin season. Yes, DPIA. We have 20 points here. You can see it here. It is better to trade Bitcoin as the altcoins. Why? I can show you this one here. Here are the top 50 performance coins over the last season, 90 days. And we can see here Bitcoin is going down 30%. Only 30%, but the most altcoins are going down more. What does it mean? And you can see it here. If 75% of the top 50 coins perform better than Bitcoin over the last season, it is altcoin season. So, okay, guys, it is not altcoin season because you can see it here on this side. Bitcoin is performing better. That doesn't mean Bitcoin is going up more and more. Yes, yippee. No, it does mean we are going down not so much with Bitcoin as with the most altcoins. That means Bitcoin is the coin for the moment to trade. It is Bitcoin season and not altcoin season, guys. So we can see it also here with the market cap Bitcoin dominance. You can see it here. Fighting. You can see it here. We have a slightly uptrend, a bullish one, a bullish parallel channel to the upside. And that means we have here a high about 46%. And that means, guys, it's better to trade Bitcoin as the most altcoins. So here is my live stream. What can we see here, guys? Look at this. You can see in the 1 hour time frame, we are between this or in this big parallel channel, in this big zone, and we are trading in this zone since long time. I was showing you this parallel channel here since long time, and yes, it's working perfect. We saw a bad candle here to the downside, a bad wick to the downside to 28,000, and now we are going sideways again. You can see it here on the 4 hour time frame, on the middle of the downside, and here on the right downside, the 1 day time frame. And what do we have here? And that's good. That's not bad, guys. We have a buy. You can see it here, a sell and the buy signal. That means it's for the normal thing a really bullish stuff. If we see this, a buy, after this a sell, and then a buy. This on the 1 day time frame is for the normal thing a bullish stuff, guys. Yes, I know we're going sideways, but it is maybe a sign for a little trend reversal, a little one, not for the long time frame. So guys, this is my live stream. You can visit it every time. It is free. I hope we will see us there. You can write there. I have a lot of nice guys there. Like Horn is here for the moment. Greetings out there. And you can see here on the left side, my last video here is a triangle. And if you would like to know what's going on here, Biti, what are you showing us here? Watch my last video for Bitcoin. Here you can see a quick overview. Bitcoin, Ethereum, the Binance coin, every coin is green, XRP is red, Doge is red, these coins are going down, XMR is red, they are going down. And here is the 15-minute time frame. You can see the bullish harami, and you can see here so much things you need for trading. It's free, it's not a financial advice, guys. And I hope we will see us there soon. So let's go on here to the next thing. Here is Codex. Codex was showing us a nice pump in the last days to the upside, but guys, that changed. Sorry to tell you this one. Look at this. Codex, quick overview. Here's Bitcoin. Bitcoin is going up with 0.84%, as I told you, and Ethereum is going up a little bit more, 1.88%, and the other coins are going a little bit sideways. One coin is going up really nice. Place number 14, AVAX Avalanche is going up with 12.7%, a really nice pump, but we are watching Bitcoin. So let's move on. Bitcoin, the price prediction. Here we are. Look at this. We changed. The Bitcoin price prediction is telling us we're going down to 27,000. I will show you soon why this is really bad. And sideways, we have extreme fear in the market and the bearish sentiment. And you can see here, if we're watching this one, we are bullish only with 25% and bearish with 75%. Damn. So what else can we see? Here is really interesting, the RSI and the moving average. Look at this one here. We have the green one here. It's the 50 MA and we have it on a price about 32,000. So if we are going up, we have the first thing to watch 32,000. After this, we have the next one 42,000. That's the violet line here. And we are watching this here. That's also really nice. That's new here, the RSI 14. And what can we see? We saw the red lines. The red things here, they showed us an oversold RSI. After this, for the most time, we saw a nice pump to the upside. What's happening now? We are going slightly down and the RSI is going up. That's a divergence. We need to watch this. Okay, Codex. Let's move on. We have some more action and that's really bad. Here you can see SMAs, everything is red. Okay, we have here the support points to the downside, 28,600, 28,300, 28,000. And the big resistances to the upside, they are on the right side here, 29,200, 29,500 and 29,880. The biggest resistance to the upside. And now guys, look at this. It changed completely. It changed completely. It's showing us, Codex is showing us for the price prediction, we are going down really hard. Look at this. June the 10th, we saw on the last video a nice pump to the upside, nearly 38, 40,000. Now we are going down. We're going down really hard, 21,900, a minus about 25% from here. This is showing us Codex, and that's not nice, guys. That's nice if you are shorting Bitcoin, but if you are a Bitcoin lover like me, it's not nice. Okay. June, we'll see maybe the next big things to the downside. The whale map is not online for the moment, but it's not so important. Let's forget it. Let's move on. Now we will dive directly into the action. This is my last picture from my last video. This is the weekly time frame, and I showed you guys on my last video. Attention, left shoulder, head, a right shoulder, the trend line. And I told you guys, we need confirmed closing candles over the trend line and not under it. And what can we see for the moment? We are forming the next confirmed closing candle, or the first confirmed closing candle under the trend line. We have still time, 14 hours to close this candle. And if we close this weekly candle, we have a really, really bad stuff because we broke the trend line for this shoulder, head, shoulder. And that's really, really, really extreme bearish. You can see also this M pattern here, guys. We have an M pattern here with the target about 12,000 or 10,000. It's the start of the pattern. We have a shoulder head shoulder pattern here with a bad target to the downside, about 12,000. If we are watching Codex, it's predicting us prices to 21,000, 22,000. So, okay, everything is showing us, bam, it's not looking good for Bitcoin. So what else can we see? We formed here 8 red weekly candles to the downside. Now we are forming the ninth ones. And you can see we never saw this one. We never saw 9 red candles in a row. This is amazing, guys. This is not good here. Look at this, 9 red candles. Okay, 14 hours, 50 minutes to close, but it's not looking good here for the next weekly candle. One thing I would like to show you guys, look at this candle. This candle is amazing. Look at this. If we're starting here on the highest point, we're going down to the lowest point. Look at this, 53%. This one weekly candle showed us a price to the downside with 50%. So Bitcoin lost 50% in 1 week. It is possible, guys. It is Bitcoin. Remember, it is Bitcoin. I'm showing you this since long time. I'm showing you the M pattern since long time. It is Bitcoin season, yes, but this does not mean that Bitcoin is growing and growing. This does mean that Bitcoin is losing not so much as the most altcoins. Remember this, guys. Okay, this is my big warning to you. This is my big warning. It is possible to go down to 12,000 to 10,000. It's not impossible. I'm showing you this since long time. If you're watching my videos, you are not surprised about this. So now let's go a little bit deeper. This is the weekly time frame. We have here the next hope, the next big hope for all traders for making a long position, 25,300. Why? Because it is the EMA ribbon band, EMA 200. The price about 25,300 is the next big support if we will go down here more and more. This may be a next nice try for a long hunting if you are making long time frames, or if you are trading long time frames and not 5-minute time frames. Okay, we have a little bit more to watch. I will show you guys. I have some time today. I hope you too. Here is the money flow index indicator. Look at this money flow index indicator. You know it, everything under 20 points is oversold. Everything over 80 points, it's oversold for the moment. We saw this one here, an oversold MFI, and a nice try to the upside. It was a nice long. For the weekly time frame, yes, from here to here, it was a nice long, but now we are going down again, and you can see we have some space to the downside. You can see it here. We have some space to the downside, so why not to go down to 25,300? This is showing us the MFI, it is still possible. We have here a resistance, a really red one. This is this one, so we have also some space to the upside. Why not to make a move to the upside? To try something like this one. You can see here is the EMA ribbon band. We have a short signal on the weekly time frame, and maybe we can touch here the ribbon band again, 36,000, maybe 34,000. Yes, it is possible to make a little move and to make a new green candle. Damn, 9 red candles in a row, guys. So 1 day time frame. This is a little bit more interesting in my opinion. I will show you. MFI on the downside, money flow index indicator. What can we see? We saw a double bottom. This is really nice, but what else can we see? Let's zoom in a little bit more. Let's start with this one. Look at this. This was the biggest hope for the most traders, 28,700. It was on June. This was the lowest point here. After this, we saw a nice pump to the upside. What happened? We made a lower low. That's really, really bad. You can see 28,700 in June, now 26,800, and this is a lower low. We are making lower lows, we are making lower highs. That's really dangerous. That's really bad. So a lot of things are talking about Bitcoin will go down more and more. So money flow index indicator. Now let's check this one. We saw a double bottom on the downside, and what else can we see? It's not so important. It was a double bottom, but let me show you this one. No, that's the wrong. That's the moving average. I would like to show you the MACD. Sorry, guys. Here it is. Moving average convergence divergence. Let's check this one here on the daily time frame. And here we can see we saw a nice cross. We are in a green zone. Here was the cross blue line over the brown line. We are here on the bullish zone for the moment. And that's interesting because the price is not going directly up, but the MACD is going up. Really interesting. You can see it here with these green lines. They are getting bigger. After this, we saw a light green, then a dark green. Look at this one here. We saw a perfect bottom building for a long position. Now it is maybe the perfect top for a short position again. Look at this MACD. For the moment, we are bullish. MACD is blue line over the brown line. Okay, everything is okay. And we can see on the day the ribbon band. The bad, ugly ribbon band. Here is the last line, and the ribbon band is the last one, the EMA 21, a price about 30,600. That's a big resistance here on this point, 30,600. So you can see ribbon band is here. You can see EMA 200 is here. You can see a lot of resistance is here. Let's check the 4-hour time frame. Yes, we are bullish. We are building more and more green candles here. We saw a cross blue line over the brown line. Nice, but we are under the trend line. We are perfectly under the trend line. That's so dangerous for the moment here on this point. You can see we are fighting with the ribbon band. You can see we are fighting with everything here. So, but now let me show you this pattern. You know it, guys, I'm trading. I love to trade patterns, although I use a lot of indicators, but I love to use this one here. Let me show you. Now, come on, little line. Let's start here. Yes, of course. This is the beginning and this is the end. This is the resistance line. If we are drawing this from the highest points from the wicks, you can see it. And if we are drawing it from the downside to the upside, the end points of the wicks, you can see, yes, here we are. This is our triangle. It is nice, it is beautiful, and it is here. And it is showing us maybe a next price move to the upside or to the downside. And we can check this with the target. We can see the EMA 200 is here, 32,500. Yes, of course. And now let me show you. The target is the highest point of the triangle to the lowest point to this one here. And we can use this line. Now the big question is when we will break out. We don't know, but maybe here. And this would be a price movement down to 24,000. Remember, 24,000 is the target for this triangle. Remember, 23, 22, 24 is also showing us Coin Codex in June for the next time. So yes, of course, a lot of things are speaking for breaking down this triangle for a dump to the downside to 24,000. If we can break up to the upside, it's not easy. If we can break up, we will see maybe 34,000. So to the downside 24, to the upside 34. This is the next big thing what I am watching with this triangle. What else can we see? We have a line here from the upside over this point here, this one, yes, of course, to the downside. This is the resistance point, a really big resistance line, and it is also here showing us maybe a move to 34,000 if possible. What else can we make? A parallel channel from the upside to the downside, and now we are in the game. Look at this. This is the parallel channel to the downside, and what can we see? We are fighting with the middle line. Since long time we are fighting with this damn middle line, and we need to beat the middle line. We need to make confirmed closing candles over this blue middle line here. After this, EMA 200. Here on this point, 32,000. And after this, the top maybe 34,000. Not impossible, but not easy, guys. Not easy for Bitcoin for the moment. We have so much bad things like Ukraine, like COVID, like inflation, and so on and so on. We have so much bad things. Why should Bitcoin grow here so much? We need a lot of money for this, guys. So breaking up to the upside 34, breaking down to the downside 24. Both things are really possible. I can't predict the future, but I can tell you we have so much resistance to the upside and we have no support to the downside. So okay, let's make the next move. This is the 4-hour time frame, and this is really interesting, I think, guys. So let's zoom out a little bit. Let me show you something more before we end this video. You can see here the 4-hour time frame, really nice. So let me show you one thing, guys, that's really important for trading. We saw here a high and here a higher high, and this was a parallel channel to the upside. It is a green one. It was a nice trading range with a nice middle line as a support here and here and here, as a resistance here, and after this, bam, we broke this to the downside. So we are out of the game. We are out of this nice parallel uptrend. We are down. We made a new channel, and that's this one. This is a parallel channel to the downside. Highest point, lowest point, easy to draw to the lowest point to this one here, and we can make it red. Parallel channel to the upside. We broke with this one the nice uptrend. So we are going down. We need to break the middle line, damn, and after this, maybe we can see a retest, but it is not easy. Everything is showing us. The most things are showing us we will go down more and more. Guys, this is the update for Bitcoin. Today, a long video. For the normal thing, I make short updates, 5 minutes, 7 minutes, but today, a long video. But it is really necessary, in my opinion, to watch this. Guys, this was not a financial advice. I wish you the best. Please visit me here on my live stream, 24 hours, 7 days a week online. I never sleep. I'm always here. I wish you the best of luck. Bye-bye. Yours, Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant.